as a beautiful creative by God and given to all of us living on earth. Mother Nature always nourishes us. It provides fruit and vegetables to nourish our body. It provides water to hydrate our body. Oxygen and sunlight in the nature are also essential for life on earth. It seems that people who live close to nature live a healthier life. Hence, generally, villagers are found to be healthier and happier as compared to those who live in cities. Unfortunately, we humans are polluting the nature by use of plastic, CO2 emissions, and deforestation. This is leading to a negative impact on the nature. Mother Nature always protects us from a lot of harm. We must also take steps like planting trees, stopping pollution, and keeping our surroundings clean. Such steps will help Mother Nature to be breathe again. If we protect nature today, Mother Nature will continue protecting us in the future. And that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.